Building a house is a lot like leading a team. Both require a solid foundation to start with and a clear vision to guide the way. Just as a house needs a blueprint, a team needs a plan. Without these, both endeavors are bound to face chaos and confusion. Both need a clear vision and a plan to follow. The blueprint serves as a roadmap, detailing every step and ensuring that everyone involved knows their role and responsibilities. A good leader is like a good architect. They not only design the structure but also foresee potential challenges and plan accordingly. They ensure that every piece fits perfectly into the bigger picture. They see the big picture and guide everyone towards a common goal. This vision helps in aligning the efforts of the team, ensuring that everyone is working towards the same objective. Just imagine a ship captain without a map. The ship would be lost at sea, drifting aimlessly without direction. The map is crucial for navigation, just as a plan is crucial for a project, or a contractor trying to build a house without a blueprint. It would be chaos. The workers wouldn't know where to start, what materials to use, or how to proceed. The result would be a disorganized mess. That's why architecture is so important. It provides a clear path and ensures that everyone is on the same page. It brings order to what could otherwise be a chaotic process. It's about setting a direction and making sure everyone is on the same page. When everyone understands the plan, they can work together more effectively and efficiently. Good architecture is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that is functional, efficient, and beautiful. It's about making sure that every element works together harmoniously. It's about understanding how things work together. Every component, every detail must be considered and integrated into the overall design. A good architect thinks about the flow, the function, and the feel of a space. They ensure that the final product is not only structurally sound, but also a joy to inhabit. Always be architecting might sound fancy, but it's a simple idea. It's about having a mindset where you're always looking for ways to improve and refine your plans. Whether you're working on a building, a system, or even a family event, the principles are the same. It means constantly thinking about how to improve things. You're always on the lookout for potential issues and opportunities to make things better. It's a proactive approach rather than a reactive one. Just like a house needs regular upkeep, so does a good system or plan. Regular maintenance and updates ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Neglecting this can lead to bigger problems down the line. Think about planning a big family dinner. It's not just about the cooking, it's about the preparation and coordination. You don't just start cooking without a plan. You need to know what dishes you're making, what ingredients you need, and how much time each dish will take. You consider who's coming, what they like to eat, and how much food you need. You might even have to accommodate special dietary needs or preferences. That's always be architecting in action. It's about planning, adjusting, and making sure everything fits together perfectly. You adjust your recipes, maybe add an extra dish or two, and make sure everyone has enough to eat. It's a dynamic process that requires flexibility and foresight. It's about staying flexible and adapting to new information. Just like in architecture, where new challenges and opportunities arise, you need to be ready to pivot and make changes as needed. Ever notice how easy it is to change things up with Lego blocks? That's because they're loosely coupled, not tightly bound. You can add, remove, or rearrange them without breaking the whole thing. In architecture, loosely coupled systems are key to flexibility. It means designing things in a way that one part can change without affecting everything else. Think of a house with separate electrical circuits for each room. If one circuit overloads, the whole house doesn't go dark. Loosely coupled systems are more flexible, adaptable, and easier to maintain. They allow for growth and change, which is essential in today's fast-paced world. Section 4, From Houses to Websites, Real-World Architecting. In this section, we explore how the principles of architecture extend beyond physical buildings and into the digital realm. Whether you're designing a home or a website, the core concepts remain strikingly similar. These principles apply to more than just buildings. They are fundamental to creating any structured environment, be it physical or virtual. The goal is always to create spaces that are functional, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing. Think about a website. A well-architected website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and is secure. It's designed with the user in mind, ensuring that visitors can find what they need without frustration. Just like a well-built house, it stands the test of time and adapts to changing needs. It's like a well-designed home that's both beautiful and functional. Every element has a purpose, and the overall design creates a harmonious experience. The same attention to detail that goes into selecting the right materials for a house is applied to choosing the right technologies for a website. A large company needs good architecture to function. This includes not only the physical layout of the office, but also the digital infrastructure that supports its operations. From data management systems to internal communication tools, every component must work together seamlessly. Departments need to be organized in a way that allows for communication and collaboration. The design of the workspace can significantly impact productivity and employee satisfaction. Open spaces, meeting rooms, and quiet areas all play a role in creating an effective work environment. A good organizational structure is like a well-designed floor plan, ensuring everyone can find what they need and work efficiently. Just as a well-planned office layout can improve workflow, a well-structured company hierarchy can enhance communication and decision-making. Even planning a vacation benefits from good architecture. The process involves careful planning and organization to ensure everything goes smoothly. From choosing destinations to booking accommodations, every step requires thoughtful consideration. You research destinations, book flights and accommodations, and plan activities. Each element of the trip is like a building block contributing to the overall experience. The better the planning, the more enjoyable the vacation. A well-architected vacation is enjoyable, stress-free, and full of memorable experiences. Just like a well-designed building or website, it meets the needs of its users and provides a seamless, enjoyable experience from start to finish. Section 5. The beauty of a well-architected plan. Good architecture is about creating something that is both beautiful and functional. It's about understanding the needs of the people using a space and designing something that meets those needs. It's about being proactive, thinking ahead, and adapting to change. By embracing these principles, we can create systems, structures, and spaces that are resilient, adaptable, and built to last. And that's something worth striving for in everything we do.